Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys. Today I will discuss about chapter 6, present perfect tense. Do you know guys what is present perfect tense? I will discuss it in this video. So, watch till the end. Before discussing the material, I will introduce myself. My name is Ayla Ashura Ihin Saputri. I'm from class 9-4, Junior High School 25 Makassar, and my serial number is 6. First, definition. What is present perfect tense? Present perfect tense is a grammar in English that is used to express that something has happened. Next, pattern atau rumus present perfect tense. First, pattern positif atau rumus positif. First pattern atau rumus pertama, positive sentence subject plus have or has plus verb 3. Rumus kedua, positive sentence subject plus have or has plus been plus adjective or adverb. Next, pattern negatif atau rumus negatif. Rumus pertama, negative sentence subject plus have or has plus not plus verb 3. Rumus kedua, negative sentence subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus adjective or adverb. Jadi, pada pattern atau rumus ini, kita menambahkan kata not setelah have or has. Next, pattern interrogative atau rumus kalimat yang mengajukan pertanyaan. Rumus pertama, interrogative sentence have or has plus subject plus verb 3. Rumus kedua, interrogative sentence have or has plus subject plus been plus adjective or adverb. Pada rumus ini, have or has berada di depan kemudian subject. Characteristic of present perfect tense. First, use of have for I, you, we, they, and has for he, she, it. 2. Use of verb 3. And 3. Use of already, just, not yet, for, and since. Usage of present perfect tense. First, expresses an action that started in the past and still continuing today. Example 1. I live in Jakarta since 2010. 2. My father has worked in that company for 7 years. 2. Repeated action and likely to be done again. Example 1. I always go to the village during it. 2. If my perfume runs out, I will buy it again in the store. And 3. Express experience. Example 1. I've been on vacation in Jakarta in 2018. 2. I once fell on the stairs when I was little. Example of pattern positive. Example 1. She has already submitted her paper. She adalah subjek, kemudian ditambah has karena subjeknya she. Dan already kemudian submitted adalah verb 3. Her paper merupakan kata keterangan atau adverb. Example 2. I have been live in Makassar since 2014. I merupakan subjek, kemudian ditambah dengan have karena subjeknya I. Live merupakan verb 3 dan In Makassar since 2014 adalah kata keterangan atau adverb. Example of pattern negative. Example 1. Dayu has not waited her mom at the market for 2 hours. Dayu adalah subjek, kemudian has karena subjeknya she, ditambah dengan not, kemudian waited adalah verb 3, dan her mom at the market for 2 hours adalah kata keterangan atau adverb. Example 2. You have not been to Malang. You merupakan subjek, kemudian ditambah dengan have karena subjeknya you. Kemudian ditambah dengan been, dan to Malang merupakan kata keterangan atau adverb. Example of pattern interrogative. Example 1. Have you finished your project? Pertama adalah kata have karena subjeknya you. Finished merupakan verb 3. Dan your project adalah kata keterangan atau adverb. Dan ditambah dengan tanda tanya. Example 2. Has Aiska been in Australia for 1 year? Pertama adalah kata has karena subjeknya she, ditambah dengan been, dan in Australia for 1 year adalah kata keterangan atau adverb. The last is conclusion. The present perfect tense is a tense used in present to indicate the action that has taken place at some specific time. So, this is my presentation today. Thank you for attention and thank you for watching, and bye guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.